Over Nature is a touring group exhibition that is running for over a year, and it has been staged in 6 venues across Ireland and Northern Ireland. Over Nature is a constructive example of how art can help us to see the environment in a new and creative way. The show wants to offer the most narrative aspect of every art practice to give an overall view of artists' perception of nature. The 6 artists are all called to contextualize their research within the Anthropocene. Shane Finan, through the interaction with his installations, is allowing the visitor to get an idea of our environmental condition. His works are transient, as well as his research on natural phenomena. Guillaume Combal investigates the essence of natural things through his pencil and camera, which he uses as a device. He transfers this direct experience in each his drawing and photo. Kathy Herbert uses the devices to see through them nature to demonstrate our dependence on technology. In her drawings, the direct approach to nature is an exercise in observation, what usually people do through smartphones or digital cameras. Mary O'Connor's paintings re-elaborate the vast landscapes of New Zealand, Belize, and Kazakhstan. She brings these life experiences in her art, translating them into saturated colors. Her colored patterns are fragments of nature. Louis Haugh's photos are part of a research on non-native coniferous trees, replanted in Ireland from the beginning of the 20th century, under the expert advice of the botanist Augustin Henry. Through his ongoing research, he is describing how we are losing the identity of our country landscapes. Beata Piekarska-Daly's paintings are pieces of nature, since she often paints en plein air. Her painting is organic. It comes from the ground, from geological forces. She represents memories of a past tied at the landscape and its introspective meaning.